Well, hello. Where are we now? We are in Cebu Lechon. Boneless. With no bones. Just meat. Also. And here comes the food. Here's the wife. Wow, wow, wow.
Thank you.
What did you order?
I will eat one fourth of that one.
1/4 for me.
No, we just share. I
Okay.
cannot eat that much.
This is 250 gram boneless lechon. This is actually, what is this? Lechon roll. I'm very famous. And what is this? What is this? This is pozo. And pozo is a Cebu thing. It's actually only in Cebu. It's rice wrapped in banana leaves, boiled. And then this is Sprite.
I think it's steamed.
Steam, boiled, whatever. I think they actually boil. I don't know what to do. And this is how it looks like. Open it up if you can.
There you go.
And then you can see if you look carefully, it's like either it's old or either it's banana who actually did the parts. So now we gotta dig in. Are you happy, Em?
Yeah, I'm just too hungry. It's late
Okay.
lunch.
Okay, let's eat. Eat?
Okay. I'm really tired now. Right? Ah, then I forgot.